Hey everyone, I'm Denise and today I'm going to be making popovers. This is a recipe that I got from my mother-in-law Sherry. I've added it to allrecipes.com and I'll leave a link in the description. Eggs, 4. Shortening, 1 teaspoon, melted. Milk, 2 cups. Flour, 2 cups. Mixing bowl. Muffin pan. Mixer. Ladle. Cooking spray. Put all the ingredients in a bowl. Mix thoroughly. There shouldn't be any lumps in the batter. Grease the muffin pan. You can use shortening or a cooking spray. Fill each well almost to the top. Make sure the oven is preheated to 450 degrees. Put them in the oven and immediately drop the temperature to 350. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until they have popped and are golden brown. After filming, I realized that these weren't completely done. I put them back in the oven for another 5 minutes to finish cooking them. When they're done, they'll be golden brown and feel slightly crispy. When you pull them apart, they should have a light and fluffy texture. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. If you want to see more, you can follow me by hitting the subscribe button. As always, I'll see you in the next video.